kings and queens, it's Sandra Fenwick, your mortgage consultant. I wanted to come on and talk about the difference between getting your mortgage loan through a broker or through a traditional bank. I am a mortgage loan originator, and I am licensed. I had to go through the National Mortgage Lending System, NMLS, and get licensed. I had to take a very tough test. I had to attach myself to a brokerage, which is Mortgage Experts. So I am an independent worker, but I am attached to Mortgage Experts. And so we have access to several different banks all across the country with several different types of programs. The traditional banks, those are your Navy Feds, your PNC, your Wells Fargos. They also can get you a mortgage loan. You can walk into the bank and apply for a mortgage loan. You can go on their website and apply for a mortgage loan, but they only have access to what they offer. They may be 3 or 4 programs. We have access to the same 5, 6, 7 programs with over 300 different banks. So that's an endless possibility of how we can get the right loan program for you and the right products for you and the right interest rate for you. We have the ability to shop for a mortgage for you that meets your particular needs. Now, you may have a 820 credit score and you may have a lot of money in the bank, and you may be able to go to any bank and get a 2%, a 1.99% interest rate right now. But that's not the reality for most of us in the United States. That's not the reality for most of us in our community. So some of us have special needs. Some of us have lower credit scores. So we do have banks that will go down to, I'm sorry, I thought I saw something moving. We do have programs that will go down to a lower credit score, and you can still get your loan done. You may not have a whole lot of money. We do have some banks that will give you the money up front. You may have a slightly higher interest rate, but if you want to buy your house and your goal is to buy your house, we have programs for you. You may want to do some renovations to your home when you move in. We have banks that do that. We have banks that work with first responders and police officers, and they give them special programs. We have banks that do non-QM stuff that will work with people who don't have the traditional tax returns, people who are self-employed and can't go into a regular bank and get a loan. We have those options. So when you think about, oh, wow, should I work with Sandra to get my loan, or should I just go over Navy Federal? You can do both. You can do either. But Sandra, Mortgage Experts, is going to have a lot more options for you at the end of the day. And I'm not just saying that because I work here and this is what I do, but I am saying that because it is true. So do your research. Research brokerages, and research what we have to offer, or give me a call and I can go over that with you. You have my cell phone. It's 301-326-7555. If you want to get started with an application, you go to my website, www.approvemesandra.com, and Sandra is spelled SAUNDRA. So it's approvemesandra.com, or you can leave me a comment below. You can inbox me questions, or you can go ahead and call my cell. So guys, if you have any more questions, let me know. All right, I'll talk to you soon. Goodbye.